Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Lenovo Tab M7. First of all, go into Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then select Confirm, Continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about updates, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by choosing OK. After that, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Realme and receive next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on Lenovo, click on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Realme. From here, you can click on all of those dots from all of those categories to select all of your files that you wish to send. You can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected in order to continue. Now tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you wish to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon next to Input key on Lenovo tablet. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the code. In order to input this key though, tap on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers, and hit Receive. So now when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!